I'm gonna try it. That's what it's gonna do. Guys, that's what I got. That's Dogecoin. So how to place it like that? I would think it can reach $1. It can totally reach $1 at some point. I made that video on the 16th of April 2021 and we are the 5th of May 2021. Nearly 20 days later, look at this chart. Damn, look at this damn chart. Doge, come on. Guys, welcome to the mood. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please think of doing so. Support the channel and leave tons of like. We are trading here cryptocurrency on a daily basis and I'm keeping you updated of all my trades every single day here and over Twitter right there. Do you know other YouTube channels that are doing that? Well, no, so please give it a shot and subscribe to the channel. Without further ado, let's get into the charts. So I'm gonna start actually with Doge. Doge was the star yesterday. Doge sucked all the money out of the market and that was incredible. I was starting to turn white as the day was passing by. I was looking at the charts and everything was sucked out of all the blood. There were no more money for anything else than Doge, and Doge went crazy. 30%, 20%, 30%, 20%. Guys, if you were scalping Doge, you made tons of money. This is my analysis over Bitcoin and you guys know that I drew that like maybe 2 weeks ago. So I think we found our support here and it's quite 100% sure, guys, and now we are going to bounce. See that little gray support line? Well, it did work and our VIX is still perfect. It's still holding on. The MACD's tried to cheat you, but I'm certain that it's not gonna cross bearish at all. And you can see on the RSI here, we are still very close to that resistance line, so we are all set up for a very nice bounce. Guys, do you see what I drawed here? I drawed if I'm right again, we are going to 80k end of May, guys. That could be possible, but at some point, don't forget there's gonna be some retracement. So as usual, my advice is no leverage, nothing. Don't use leverage. Trade on the right platform and don't be greedy and fearful. Market is gonna have some pullbacks and you know, guys, that's always what happens. So don't be greedy and don't fear it. When there are some pullbacks, keep some cash, save some cash and put it back in the market. The bull run is clearly not finished. And here we got our Ethereum chart. This chart is a little bit less nice than the one of Bitcoin. Ethereum is doing great and I was very happy to see it hit that $3,500 level. But however, here we see, you know, guys, this bearish divergence is really big and the VIX is not supporting anything and the MACD is topping, so I wouldn't get into I wouldn't FOMO into Ethereum right now, definitely. Plus, guys, you know that Ethereum has a tendency to range a long time while altcoins are pumping and everything, so that's my choice. But I prefer to be over altcoins than Ethereum, even if that's a good bet and even if I know Ethereum is gonna reach crazy level before the end of this year. So yesterday my trade got a little bit of a hit and our Chili's trade is recovering and I'm expecting to see very big numbers very soon. Imagine when the market is going to discover this coin. See all these great partners they have. We have lots of new young investors and they didn't discover Chili's yet, guys. They discovered Doge and you saw what happens. They didn't discover Chili's with all this nice partnership. My ADA trade is starting to go back on the green territory and I'm very happy about that, but we are going to let it run until it hits the 1.52 level, and who knows, guys, Link is actually super pumping and we can see this kind of movements. I also Litecoin and we can see this kind of movements into Cardano very soon, because these are the old cryptos that are there since a long time and they are performing great in this market. And our Dent trade is actually the one that took the biggest hit, but it's still a very nice position here, and if you didn't enter it yet, well, an entry in Dent right now would also be a good idea. Well, our Luna trade is back in the green territory, still has a lot of potential here, and we are going to keep our eyes over it. It's going to be time to evaluate exactly what's going to happen next on Litecoin, and we could see we pushed up nearly to that resistance line, but I'm gonna fix it a little bit. You guys know we are in a bull market. In a bull market, the bearish divergence sometimes doesn't mean anything. But still, we have one here that is actually printing right now over Litecoin. And last time it happened, we could see a substantial drop right here. It was actually on the 19th of February. So I believe Litecoin might range a little bit in this area, guys. And this is my cake analysis from yesterday, guys. And as you can see, I made two scenarios, the green and the red one. And apparently it's the green one that is going to play out. So it's perfect, guys. The resistance line did support here the price action, and MACD seems like it's not gonna cross because all the prices are catching up, including Bitcoin. So I'm expecting Cake to have a very nice bounce from here. So if you are a Doge investor, congratulations, you made a very nice profit this week. But guys, you have to know that here we can see a nasty bearish divergence showing up right here, and the last one we saw on the Doge chart was actually around the 7th of February, guys, the 7th of February. So it's a long time ago. And if we zoom in into that bearish divergence, what happened right after we went ranging for weeks and weeks, guys. So be careful with Doge. That's why I'm not trading it. It's too volatile. Yes, you can make nice profit. Yes, many of you guys doubled their money, tripled their money, and it's something really amazing. Personally, I'm resisting FOMO really hard, but that's the game, guys. BNB is actually ranging, as I told you guys, so I don't think anything big will happen on it. If you buy it, it's still a safe bet. And our WASIRX analysis, well, it's still on the way. Yes, we dumped yesterday, so probably we are going to range a little bit in this area and slowly catch up, and then that kind of moment is gonna happen for sure. And our coin of the day is going to be BitTorrent, BTT, as also known as BTT. That is a currency, that is a crypto that has a use case over the BitTorrent platform, peer-to-peer platform. I still wonder what are the use case of that, because it's most of it piracy, but it works. It's on the Tron ecosystem, has currently a price of 0.0071 now. All right, so it's also a beautiful chart. Oh, many charts are actually beautiful during these days. This one is yes, I'm not looking at it because I had tons of it in 2017. Tons of BTT. I had so many. Nobody was caring of that. And well, I kind of sold it in the beginning of the bull run. Well, that happens, guys. No regret. That's part of the philosophy. FOMO works also in that way. You shouldn't have any regrets. Opportunities, missed opportunities are everywhere, every single day, every minute, every second. If you didn't buy Doge before, don't feel bad about it. You can't be on everything. It's life, guys. It's life. Every single minute of your life, you're missing an opportunity. You could be outside, you could be meeting a beautiful woman or a beautiful man at any time. You're not doing it because you're sitting here trading cryptos. Dumb. No, but seriously, guys, don't be salty about missing an opportunity. I missed that. I missed GBTC. I was also into it before the split. It's life. You have to live with it. You're gonna find many other new opportunities, and you have to choose. Life is full of choice. You have to choose what you are trading. So going back to BTT, I can see at first sight that we have a parabolic move on BTT, and it's there. It's still intact. All right. Wow, that's nice. So we just touched it yesterday. So yesterday was actually a very good entry point. Now we are going to find our resistance lines. We have a resistance right here, and yes, it makes a triangle, guys. But as I told you, I'm never trading patterns because patterns are extremely uncertain. It's just taking random guesses, and if you're following any YouTuber that is just trading patterns, unfollow. No, I'm joking. You follow who you want. We live in a free world. We have another resistance line right here. All right. I don't think we have much other to see on this chart, and I'm gonna use also a Fibonacci retracement. That's really interesting. That's really interesting. Plus, BTT has been pumping a lot during that first altcoin cycle. Yeah, interesting, very interesting. Now it's time for the drawing. It actually looks like the WYSIWYG's pumping chart. And we are going to stay on the parabolic move and probably cross very soon, guys. And we'll be keeping following that parabolic move. And that's gonna be my drawing for BTT. Wow, guys. It's beautiful. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I'm putting this one into my favorite coins. Yes, I might go back to it. Wow. Yes, and we also have, I didn't see it, but we also have a resistance line right here on the RSI. And we bounced on it. And this alt season, guy, is gonna be crazy because most of the coins are now on that on that threshold, and most of the coin are going to go like rocket. Ah, what a good time to be alive. Guys, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please consider doing it. You won't find this kind of resume and analysis anywhere else. Most other traders over YouTube are just taking random guesses, guys. I'm the only one showing you my trades. I'm the only one taking my balls off to show everything I'm doing and to be extremely transparent with you guys. So please reward this with a nice thumb and a nice subscription button. And if you are really crazy, just hit the notification bell so you will be aware of when my new videos are posted every single day. Thank you for watching, and until tomorrow, have a very sweet day. Bye bye.